Um, Hi, good day. So today I will demo to you by the way, after we load the unit column with data from Python script to CSV, then we import to SQL Server. Now we load the two target destination flat file as the generated output file to be loaded in your in a target database or something a source. Yeah, right. So we use SSIS, then start. I use of Visual Studio. So you can download the data tools in the Visual Studio community. Then after that, you can download the Management Studio. Then you can create exercise projects. So I will create a separate video how to download the SSIS to Visual Studio community. So this is Visual Studio community. It's a free. So this one is I have created data flow, it's God's name test package 2, and description is column generation table load into target your data warehousing table. So this is data flow as with the data flow they have a subcomponent. So table date is include two column, column one, column two is date and time, and date. Okay, preview. This is the output. So yeah. By the way, I removed the column, the access column, which I loaded. If you remember, I loaded in SQL Server as access column, so I already removed. Then after that, so import column, you create an alias in date time. Then read write, it means it will be read on the column, cannot write, but I will change to read write. Okay. Then go to edit script. Oh, it's too slow. First of all, I declare a parser. Parser variable, which is new stream writer. So it's a method in C sharp to stream or initialize data, writing the data into a file, flat file. So this is time the directory and that text file. So this the output folder, then it will generate here. Then okay, then post execute, parser close. The difference of pre-execute and post execute. Pre-execute which means it will happen during executions or before executions, and post executes it will happen after the executions of the script. Okay, parser.close it means close the file after the execution. Then after that, I created very simple code. It's if run, if not in row, in date time is null. So it means if this column is not null, it's null, it will be write this parser, write this method. So it will write the value of date time, and it will be after that it will be delimited. The column delimiter is will be comma. It will be the CSV generated file. So same time, if the column is null in date, then parser row that date, it will wrote to value that date. Sometimes you can convert to string to int, and depends on your like whatever you takes. Then parser right column delimiter. So I described in the comment what is the output and generate. Then right line, it will be the process to be written into file. Okay, any questions? If you have questions, just email me in gpm205@hotmail.com or gmail.gpm205@gmail.com. So I repeat, parser.write wrote this means this row, not row, row. It means row, field or column name. Column, then the column name, in column name is in date time. Then it will write when a column is null, then it will write. Then after that, it will write on delimiter, comma, it's generate, right? If not row, column, this date is null. By the way, this is um the new way how to write this is null column. Before if or in the previous older version of Visual Studio, if if that not row that is null, then open close parenthesis column name. But in latest version in the latest versions of Visual Studio, this is the new way. If that row, then indeed is null. It's automatically initialized when you have a valid input column. Okay. Parser, when it's null, this indeed is null, it will be write this indeed value column then in the number. Okay. Okay. So I will close now. Then run the file. Start. Oh, very quick. One row. So see, okay. Then after that, this is the output, right? See this one. Oh, this is excess gamma. Okay, let's try again. Comment out. Okay, successful, right? Let's try. Voila. This is the finished product. So see, when I query this one, it's same, right? Lead time, column, date. Okay, see, okay. It's very same, right? It's, once you loaded this one data, it will load as data CSV table, CSV by load in SQL Server. If you want to know how to load this one, I have a previous video that first video that continuation on this one. So thank you and have see you in another video in my another video. Then have a great day. Thank you and God bless.